Hey, Amazon business owners and soon to be Amazon business owners. It's Tim with ALGO Online Retail. I get a question all the time. Tim, what happens to my inventory if I ship inventory to an Amazon FBA warehouse and they lose it, they damage it, whatever? What happens? So let me answer that question, but first let me give you a little bit of background. If you've never seen an ALGO Online video before, let me give you a little background. So ALGO got started 7+ years ago. We have over 10,000 students, entrepreneurs, business-minded people like you that we've taught how to do this. I personally started with my first website 22 years ago, now transitioned, and here I am as one of ALGO's main trainers. So let me answer that question. If you're doing Amazon FBA, by the way, if you don't know what Amazon FBA is, I'll talk about that a little bit later. But if you buy 100 units to sell on Amazon, or 200 or 500 or 1,000, you ship them to Amazon because you don't want to touch them, right? You ship them straight to Amazon, FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, and then Amazon loses some of them. If they lose 40 of your units, you just get an email saying, hey, Tim, we just lost 40 units. Here you go, and they buy them. But they don't tell you they lost them. It doesn't matter, right? We don't care. They just bought 40 units. If they damage 40 units, you get an email saying, hey, we just bought 40 of your units. So Amazon takes care of you. So when you're doing Amazon FBA, Amazon wants to take care of you. They want you to keep selling. 60% of all the sales that are happening on Amazon approximately come from us third-party sellers, so they want to take care of you. Now, what happens if they find them later? They lose 40 units, they buy them from you, then they find them later. They don't ask for the money back, right? They don't ask for the money back. They just drop them on their website and get rid of those, sell those out, right? So great question, common question. Now, you might have lots of questions. You might be asking, hey, what's FBA? How do I win sales? How do I find a product in the first place? So I want to teach you how to do that. If you want to learn how to build and scale and grow an Amazon business, you want to make some extra money, you want a side income, a second income, whatever, I want to teach you out. Right down here, there's a link. Click on that link. It's going to be to a free 90-minute live webinar. I want to teach you exactly how to do this. Yes, I did say free. So I'll be there live. I'll spend the first 60 minutes teaching you exactly how to sell on Amazon. Then I'll take 30 minutes to answer all of your questions. That's why I'm there live. So I'd love to teach you how to do this. If you want to learn how, click on the link, get registered, and I'll see you soon.